Welcome to Megamed.in. Megamed is an online medical device supply company. We deliver critical care equipments and mobility equipment pan India. Today we will be showcasing top of a range Bipap machine from Resmed. Resmed is a leading brand in manufacturing of sleep and respiratory care equipments with the experience of more than 30 years. Model that we will be discussing today is the Resmed Lumis 150 Vpap ST. Now this is the top model of Bipap manufactured by Resmed with all the advanced features. Now there are major two variants available for this product in Indian market. One is Resmed Lumis 150 Vpap ST and one is Resmed Lumis 150 Vpap STA. Now these are the two variants here. Now let's discuss the clinical features of this product. Now there are major 5 modes available on this product. One is CPAP, one is S, one is T, one is ST, one is iVAPS, and then there is a PAC mode as well. Now if we discuss about the iVAPS, which is one of the features of this product, why this product is being sold in India, because Resmed already have a ST machine in their catalog, which we have discussed in our earlier videos as well. Now, iVAPS is an intelligent volume assured pressure support. It's a mode which learns each patient's unique alveolar ventilation, sets appropriate tidal volume targets, and provides smooth pressure support to suit the patient ventilation. Now, if we talk about the pressure range of this device, both variants have different pressures. So I'll explain it to you. Resmed Lumis 150 Vpap ST model has a pressure range of 4 to 25 centimeter of water in Bipap modes and 4 to 20 centimeter of water in CPAP mode. Resmed Lumis 150 Vpap STA model has a pressure range of 4 to 30 centimeter of water in Bipap modes and 4 to 20 centimeter of water in CPAP modes. Now there are other clinical features as well, such as VSync. VSync provides excellent patient ventilator synchrony in presence of leak while using it with the mask. Then there is an intelligent backup rate available as well, which gives patient maximum opportunity to trigger the ventilator or for spontaneous breathing. Now IBR adds backup breaths to comfortably bring patient back to the target. It works with ST mode and iVAPS mode as well. So it works with both modes, ST and iVAPS. Now TI control is also available with this device, and that is to control the inspiratory time. Now we understand that this is a medical device, so pressure, mode and inspiratory time has to be set by the physician. Now if we talk about the comfort features of this device, there is ramp down and ramp features are there to provide comfort, to reduce the pressure in initial stages of ventilation. Now then there is a climate control and automatic humidification. So when you're using this product with humidifier and with the heated tube, device automatically takes the control of humidification and climate. Now it delivers humidifications automatically. There is no change or no complicated menus you have to navigate. Although there is a manual option as well, where you can control the humidity and the temperature as well. Now there is a smart start option is also available. Let me explain the smart start here. So when you have to start the machine, all you need to do is connect the tubing, wear the mask, and start breathing. Device will automatically start giving you therapy. Now how you have to maintain this device? In this device, you have to clean filter every 15 days and you have to change the filter every 3 months. Change the humidifier and the tubing every year. Clean humidifier every 15 days. You have to change your mask cushion and change the mask in 3 months and 12 months respectively. Now, if you want to order this device, you can follow the link in the description, or you can place order on the phone and WhatsApp as well. Phone number is also given in the description for that. Delivery time in major cities of North India is 3 days, and for rest of India it is 4 to 5 days. Now we have multiple shipping options as well as For express shipping, you have to contact our support specialist to know more about it. Now we have multiple payment options as well on our website. You can use cards, you can use net banking, UPI and EMI options. Cash on delivery option is also available, but only with the support representative in this device. Now, in case you have any questions, queries, or you want to understand how this device will benefit or what device you should go for, you should contact our support specialist today. Thank you and have a good day.